Hi there, my name is Johan Jonzon. I'm CMO and co-founder of Xcrosser. We work with edge computing solutions for Industry 4.0 use cases in terms of putting advanced analytics, AI, machine learning and so forth really close to machines and assets inside your factory. What we see here in Barcelona today is a lot of companies providing great solutions for storage, cloud solutions, monitoring and so forth. And what we see that you as a customer are requiring are the ability to fetch legacy protocols. You want to run your solutions behind the firewall. You want on-premise solutions for your factories to do this analytics and gain insights about how your machines and your process is really working. Within edge computing, there are different kind of opportunities. You can run edge computing directly from a machine or from a gateway, or perhaps you can even run it from the cloud, and then it's called just streaming analytics. What we see today is that the big five are providing great cloud solutions, but sometimes it's very important to be able to do fast development and fast implementations of your protocols, and we see the need of ease of development. We see that you have difficulties finding programmers, but you have loads of great engineers, and that's something that we want to connect with. Therefore, we have built a flow build programming studio that is cloud-based, so that your engineers can build IoT flows themselves without any programming skills.